What me I do? I run away, you know, brother. I don't know what I run up to, but I run away, you hear me? It is gone. I snoozed and I lost. So there you go. Miss a couple more up on the tree still, so no stress, no worries. I try to get some things at the wholesale slash supermarket. You know, so sometimes you know, you know, I left me hard, brother. I just food alone in that food where I feel left. And then I spend money and all that shit, bro. It's like fuck, man. And then here comes the issue of not knowing what the hell me really want to buy. Can I make a list? But you know, sometimes the thing them on the list them I have to really contemplate if I need it. So my whole thought process until I reach there is really trying to figure out what I'm actually going to buy. I can see what I come away with. So the drilling sound or just a year a while ago. Now imagine you had that them and the neighbors in and you come in late from work last night. And I get your little caress you know? I have to deal with them, they drilling. You know, must lose your shit, brother. And it's crazy because one man are doing work and another somebody I try race up, figure deal with for them work. This thing called life, yeah, Rasta. I want that slice bread on scam because it a go done fast out. Now when you cut your own bread, you can slice it the way how you want. Feel like every time I go to the supermarket, nigga, fuck you and stop right. My blood pressure is. Can't bet I buy some nonsense. If I can check my list and see if any of the things that I put on the list I actually bought. The other day when I go to the doctor and them do them like a test, I'm surprised him not ask me if I'm stressed or something because I know that I am. But it seems like everything on the blood pressure thing that them do and all of them something they normal. This is my kind of normal because I know for a fact that I am stressed. I know I am, you know. But my vitals are running normal, which is crazy, bro. You want cuss when you go spend the money, but you have to give thanks so you actually have the money to spend. That's the brighter side of it. You actually have it to spend. New bread. Say hello to your cousin. Stale bread. Big family reunion I go on over there, so. And you get. Until you start record, get in there. Yeah. Come on. All you little nuts. Yeah. Soak your nuts away. Soak your nuts away. I know where I'd like to soak my nuts. What did I not get on my list? Frank's fries, soup stuff. I'm gonna make some soup with some leftover breast bone shavings. When I shave off the meat off my breast, I usually have some little things left and I just save it to make like soup. But I reconsider that. And there was one more thing. Never bother get the Franks because I do want to make some hot dogs for lunch. But the hot dog bread them were there, they expire like 3 days from now. And you don't know, so the hot dog pack come with about must say 8 in there. So that don't make no sense. I'm not gonna eat so much hot dogs in the next 3 days. You'd say fries are come, but that are later on today. That was the one thing that I forgot. Ramen. Ramen is the thing that I never bought. But I have enough ramen. I think I have about, what is that like? 1, 2, 3, about 5. I have 5, so that can hold me out for the next couple of days. And I never buy them because I never see them. So yeah. Them the other things them will never get. I'm gonna buy some things that were not on the list. Air freshener, bathing soap, dishwashing liquid. Even though the one that I haven't done, I don't want to get done and then I say I should have buy. Cause you know sometimes there's some simple things you have to end up God's store for. I don't want that be the case, you know. You have to go take a walk for just dishwashing liquid. Of course, you know, a nigga got some rum, got a little rum with a little cranberry. That wasn't on the list. But you know, for my enjoyment when I'm chilling, I wanted to get some burger bread. They had them there. So I tell about the knocking thing. Look how me talk about it on the road and then me come back. But I good thing me not sleep. But yeah, they want to get some burger bread. But so I can make some chicken sandwiches with the coleslaw we have. But the burger bread, it expired the 14th too, and I'm not gonna eat off so much. and it makes no sense when we go to waste. So if I ever gonna make sandwich, I guess I just use like the regular bread with the coleslaw. But I really wanted that burger bread though. Maybe me try back maybe like tomorrow or whenever. See if we can get the fries with that. Cause tomorrow Friday, so it would be nice to have a little fast food type of thing. And I think I might stream tomorrow. Like we see what I want. I don't know, ever since I come back home I just feel like grumpy. I don't know what it is. You ever get that feeling that you just it's like you're angry but you don't know where you're angry at? I don't like it. I don't like that feeling. But I guess you just have to embrace all these emotions that come with life, bro. I make me look at tea and drink that and bust on a biscuit with a donut. We got back in a routine for breakfast. And to try to get rid of this grumpy feeling. Maybe I try to wake up too early. I try to put my finger. It's like a bungle of things. I just need to be mellowed out, bro. You know what I mean? Fuck. Today was a dookie day. Let's just put it that way. Instead of knowing that the rain would have just, I have to put the icing on the cake. But in a way, I kind of know. I'm not screw say rain fall. Because it made the place cool. Deep boobs sleep. I'm going to go barber tomorrow. At least make them do this here. I pull out the braids with the fades. But I'm not on the shades. Shades there, but they're not really shades, right? So I'm going to pull out them tomorrow. Go barber. Get lined up on them thing there. Then wash my hair. Oh, I make him fix this. All of them like a short piece I will left out. Make him fix up that, isn't it? And then maybe I'm do my hair maybe like next week or the week after that. Actually, they want to go back on the road today. You see, I can get the fries them what they want. But no, but I just kill two birds with one stone tomorrow. I come here, I go up on the road. Hey, let me see when I see maybe now. One of them way big, but me can see say it fit. But me say, maybe you want it gone still. But like I said, if I snooze out, I was gonna lose. I'm never really in a mood for eat it, so somebody else pick it and I saw it. More upon the tree, but more there upon the tree. Around the clock. What I do? I run, you know, brother. I don't know what I run up to, but I run, you hear me? Instead of doing it tomorrow, just go buy the fries today. Cause one, I smell somebody have make something. I don't know if it was fries, but it smell like fries. I mean, I long, so I just I get some. Come I think to myself, yo, I'm a big man, brother. I can't do what I want to do at any given time. So, freak me a whole lot for peanut sitting like that. Be truth. Why me a whole lot when we can just get the fries now and have fries today and tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make some fries. Now, but I ate the rice that was there. Let's get some fries, bro. Not a lot, just a little bit. And instead of alternating the chicken, I think maybe I could just do heat up the last piece of fried chicken. So tomorrow, no, the last piece of chicken, I may have like a bit of barbecue. Yeah, that is it. It's nice and cool, man. I like it when the rain falls, you know. Never know if it done fall or what. And if I can step out and it can rain, but look like it done. Sky's kind of still overcast in our way, but let's see if by the time the vlog done it fall again or what. What you want to do is you want to get a tennis ball. Then if you have a foot now, you want to make sure you take that foot there and you put it on the tennis ball. Don't watch me toe them. Don't watch a big toe there, because remember me they telling some my toe they drop out and them something there, but they grow back and the last of the drop out up at top this are going. But anyways, what you want to do now, you just want to do this. You just want to move your foot back and forth on it. Yeah man. You see this? Yeah man, it nice little way for massage your foot bottom. Trust me, I tell you. Watch your style. Just remember, get a tennis ball, put your foot right in the sole, this one you just go back and forth. And you go feel. I don't know if you explain it to you, but you can just feel in your foot bottom and a nice like a sensation where you get this relaxing vibe. Yeah. I hate that, man. Do it now. Do it, do it, do it. And you know, say I never really nobody show me this. I something me did do, like when me did a workout, when me did do me 30 push-ups for 30 days. I did just do it. And then I see another brother, Kevin Gates, the rapper. The other day I see him, like him doing workout thing, and then there was a clip in there of him rubbing foot back and forth on the ball. And I say, hey, I do that too. And my name is Kevin. Maybe it's a thing that Kevins do. We're gone too far now, yeah, we're gone too far. And boom, people, this is dinner. You do the fries. Never bother with the rice. Got some of that beautiful coleslaw right there, so man. And then we have a chicken. It ain't a file paper because of that. Me heat it up in the oven with you understand? Yeah, so that's our dinner. You don't know what fries them off. Wow, what we do with the fries them? Double fry. So, we soon tomorrow for you. Well, we're not going to see tomorrow vlog until about Sunday. Saturday, Sunday, so. We soon around them time now. Alright? Look more. I'm bust down the food there.